looks like.
Just look at it. Just look at it. Come on. Just look at it, bro. Like, we're gonna just whip it down the straight and. Brother, man, that was just dirty. That was.
And the coolest part is like not a lot of supercars have it. Like for some of the Ferraris have it, like the 458 and 488. It tells you when to shift.
So
you saw that?
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So when it hits that yellow
is like it's a good thing to shift then, but red is like if you want to get the max torque, the max power, that's when you shift it red. It's technically not good for the transmission, but it can survive it.
It can handle it.
It can handle it. So.
Yeah. This car brings a lot of looks. This dude behind us is like tailing us actually.
Really?
Yeah, because we're whipping it in an Aston.
Interesting.
That's what happens. We do some commentary right now.
Oh, okay.
So did you know that this is actually shorter than the Lexus LC, the coupe?
Shorter?
Yeah. It's not like the.
It doesn't even feel shorter.
No, I'm talking about. I'm not talking about the height. I'm talking about the length. Like outside.
Yeah. It doesn't even seem shorter.
It is.
Because this car seems very like long itself. So. Alright, let's see if this guy's.
Yeah, this dude is tailing us hard. But it's okay. Well, goodbye. Dude, this acceleration is effortless.
It's smooth.
It's smooth. It's just so easy. It's exactly like the Vantage in a sense. It's just easy acceleration, effortless.
Some cars you expect like a little, little throwing.
No, it's just.
No, like it just kind of like when it's shifting gears.
Oh yeah. No,
like it just kind of lurches you forward for like a second.
Smooth.
This is very smooth.
This is a great GT car, no doubt. Would you say this is kind of like, I don't know, because listen, if you had $200,000, right, like in terms of performance, you could easily get like a GT. You could get a GTR and you'd be set. You'd be set. But like this is an experience. This is an experience. That's why it's worth $200,000. It's like Bentley level luxury in a GT car that has 600 horsepower. It's
the
insane.
attention to detail in this car is insane.
Yeah, like this. You hear the sound?
Yeah. It's like, solid. Yeah. I was wondering what that sound was. I didn't realize it's
very nice.
That's the gear shifter. I mean, that's a paddle shifter.
And then easy acceleration. So simple.
Very nice. 200,000, right?
Yeah. I love how this sounds.
Yeah.
Do companies make like a lot of cars with V12s? Like what companies do that?
No, I
think it's starting to depart from V12s.
Yeah.
So obviously because
maybe it's because like they can meet the expectation of a V12.
Yeah, Aston. Yeah. So glad Aston's still making V12s because this sounds absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing.
I can't wait to test out the audio in this.
Yeah.
Bang and Olufsen, dude.
He's looking at the camera. like 85
That
in a
felt
span of like
so
what?
smooth.
What the heck?
It didn't even feel like you're changing
No.
gears.
What the heck?
Okay, so this brings
is-
up another
Another question? Another
question, topic,
discussion?
yeah.
Which is what?
If you're paying $200,000 for a performance car, won't you want to feel that
I mean,
that
yeah,
transmission? That
I'd expect a car with this much
'Cause
horsepower and torque and shit performance.
my friend's mom has a Honda Accord. It's a hybrid, right? And the gear uses CTV. You don't feel any gears shifting or anything like that. It felt similar to this.
You're talking about how smooth it is?
Yeah, the smoothness of the
I like
ride.
it. No, I like it. I mean, you were gonna want this. It's kind of funny that you brought up Honda when comparing.
Oh
that.
yeah, I know. But that's the first car that came to mind when I thought about this whole.
I mean, it's not every day we get to drive cars like this.
Yeah, for sure.
Completely
But like,
understand.
yeah, but I'd imagine that if you're paying that much, you'd kind of be invested in maybe this sportiness of it, the luxury,
the comfort, everything.
Comfort, luxury, like
Dude,
it
if
nails
you
it.
want to go from like I don't know, from say Dallas to LA or something, take a road trip, this is a car that you would take.
This is the very.
You don't want to avoid the hassle of like airports and all that transportation. All
If
that
you
jazz.
can manage with the miles that you're about to put in.
Yeah.
all
I mean,
that.
it could be
It's definitely enjoyable. I'll tell you
You
that.
can do like a 3-hour drive to Austin too,
Yeah.
and you enjoy
very
it.
nice, yeah.
And of course, you get people checking out because this car's design is absolutely beautiful.
Right, and I
There's
imagine.
no debate about that.
Right, and the consumers that are like in the market for something like this,
Yeah.
I feel like they'd be expecting a lot more sports oriented, but this is like the perfect balance,
Of course. Yeah.
almost perfect balance.
You know, this is
I'm not gonna say.
You know when they were refreshing, like their generation.
Yeah.
Their second. This is like the first in the lineup.
Wow.
Yeah. So this is like probably one of the most important. It's like I think it's like
Oh, I see. Yeah,
one of the most important cars in Aston history.
Right.
Because
That
that's like when they
heritage.
departed from like a very conservative like design language.
Yeah.
Now this is very bold and
Right.
very sleek. I like it.